Yeah, hi, I'm Thomas. I release music under the name Timelord. Why did I decide to participate in Sound of Data? Well, I'm on the daily grind of working in Excel spreadsheets. The rest of the time I'm making music. So for me, the interest of bringing science and music together is that it's all about transmitting information. Coming from the science part, you use data sets, you use hardcore numbers that you can find patterns in. On the other side, you have music, which is also used to transmit information. Years and years of evolution that make us react to a certain way, to a sound or to a chord. How can we bring these two worlds together to transmit information, relevant information, into this sound space, which is something we don't do really today?